Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to our channel. This video we are going to learn about circles. Okay, circles. So first we should understand what is circle. Circle is a set of points equidistant from a fixed point. Look here. Now I am going to draw some points. I am drawing one circle with the points. Okay, so set of points. Circle is a set of, here I made some distance, but here look here, circle is a set of point equidistant from a fixed point. This fixed point is called center of the circle. What is the name of this fixed point? Center of the circle. Usually we used to mention the center of the circle by O. Okay, so this fixed point is called center of the circle. Next we will learn what is circumference. Okay, circumference of a circle. Circumference. Circumference is perimeter of a circle. The perimeter of a circle is called circumference. Okay. The length around a circle. The length around the circle is called circumference. Very easily we can find the circumference. Take one thread. Okay. Take one thread. Keep it here. One end you have to keep it here and keep the thread on the circle. Okay. Keep the thread on the circle. Then till here you have to take. Okay. Then measure the length of the thread, that is equal to the circumference of the circle. Understood? Okay, so circumference is the length around the circle is called the circumference. We can call the perimeter of the circle also circumference. Okay, so next we are going to learn about arc of a circle. Arc, A-R-C, arc. Okay, arc of a circle. A part of a circumference of a circle, any part. Okay, a part of a circumference of a circle. Let us assume this is a circumference. Okay, now I draw once the circumference. A part of a circumference of a circle. This part we can take. Okay, we can name this point A and D. The part of a circumference is called arc of a circle. Next, radius. This is very important. Okay, radius. What is meant by radius of a circle? Radius of a circle means a distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle. The distance between the center of the circle and any point of the circle. Radius. Okay. Radius. Singular radius, plural radii. R-A-D-I-A. Radii. Okay. So radius means the center of the circle. The distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle is called radius of the circle. Okay, understood. The next one, diameter. The diameter, which means the distance across the circle through its center. The distance across the circle. Across the circle means from here to here or from here to here. Okay, the distance across the circle through its center. Through its center. So the diameter. Okay, diameter means the distance across the circle through its center is called diameter. Diameter. So first radius we learned, then diameter. Okay, the distance across the circle through its. Now check, diameter is twice a radius. So from here to here one radius, from here to here another radius. Diameter is twice a radius. Understood? Diameter is twice a radius. Radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is twice a radius and radius is half of the diameter. Okay, so next we are going to learn chord. Okay, what is chord? Chord of a circle. Chord of a circle means a straight line which joins 2 points on the circle. A straight line which joins 2 points on the circle. Already I told you, circle is a set of points only. Okay, set of points only. A straight line joins any 2 points. I am going to take this point and this point. A straight line join any 2 points on the circle is called chord of a circle. A straight line chord. I will write here chord of a circle. Any 2 points on the circle is called chord. Okay. So next, tangent. Tangent of a circle. What is tangent? A straight line that touches a circle at any point on its circumference. A straight line that touches the circle at any point on its circumference. Okay, on its circumference. This is tangent. Tangent of a circle. This is a straight line. It should touch the circumference. Okay, it should touch the circumference of the circle. This is called the tangent of the circle. Understood? Tangent. Next, we are going to learn about the segment. What is segment? A portion of a circle enclosed by a chord. The portion of a circle enclosed by a chord. Already I told you, chord means a straight line joined any 2 points on the circle. Okay, now we are going to learn segment. Segment is a portion of a circle enclosed by a chord is called segment. The portion, this portion is called segment of the circle. Okay, next one more thing, sector. Sector. What is meant by sector? You know, let us assume this is a circle. This circle, this is center. Okay, this is center of the circle. I told you this is radius. Radius means center of the point is straight line join center of the point and any 2 point on it. This is radius. One more radius also I am going to draw now. Okay, now 2 radii. Okay, radii. So sector means a portion of a circle enclosed by 2 radii and an arc. A portion of a circle enclosed, this is a circle, the portion of a circle enclosed by 2 radii. This is one radii, this is another radii. Okay, this is another. And one arc. And one arc. So this portion is called sector of the circle. This portion is called sector of the circle. Understood? Sector. Next one, semicircle. What is meant by semicircle? Semicircle, that is very easy. Semicircle, the half of the circle. The half of the circle is called a semicircle. Okay, it should divided by the diameter. It should divide by the diameter. That is called a semicircle. So now I hope you understand about circle. First, what is circle? Circle is a set of points equidistant from a fixed point. Equidistant from a fixed point. So usually we used to say the fixed point is center of the circle, and the circumference, the length around the circle is called circumference. Arc. Okay, any two a set of any point, any part of the circumference is arc. Then radius. What is meant by radius? This distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle is called radius. Then diameter. Diameter means the distance between the distance across the circle. Okay, but it should passing through the center of the circle. And the diameter is twice the radius, and twice is the half of the radius is the half of the diameter. Okay, and chord. Chord, you know, a line joining any 2 point on the circle is called the chord of a circle. And a tangent. What is tangent? So the straight line join any one point on the circumference is called a tangent. Then segment also we learned. Sector. Segment means a part of the circle, okay, bounded by the chord is called a segment. Bounded by chord is called a segment. And the sector, same, but it should divided by sector, a portion of a circle enclosed by a radius. The portion of a circle enclosed by a radius is called sector. Semicircle, the half of the circle is called semicircle. Okay, understood? Okay, so I hope this video, everything I cleared about the circle. Thanks for watching my video.